Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is December 11th, but I'm recording the video for December 10th. I had some family visiting. I could not do my video yesterday, Friday. So here we go today. Tesla closed up $13.23. That's 1.32%. We closed at 1017.03. Let's look at what we have on this chart. So we have a green candle, we have a longer wick at the bottom here, and we pretty much stopped right here on this support. So the support, the same support that we have been playing with for a long time. So that's the third channel support. And we stopped just there. And we have a longer wick at the bottom. We see a lot of buying pressure right here. And we also touched the same support at 985 that we had also on November 10th and also November 15th. If you look at this, is pretty similar. Let me check my highlighter here. So this candle looks very similar to this one here, looks similar to this one here. And what these candles had in common is that we had a little bit of a move up. Yeah. We had a little bit of a move up. So are we going to have a move up here? That's the big question. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. I'm just going to remove these things here. Okay, so on the 1 hour chart, what do we have here? This is how I am showing it on the 1 hour chart. So we started the day right here at 9:30. So this is the candle. And this candle is a red candle, but went pretty far down and then was squished back up. Then this second candle here was also a hammer with a green candle. So it looked like we made a bottom here. So I just drew a line between this bottom that we had on December 6th and this bottom here, because this is a higher low. Here we have a higher low than we have here. So I am pretty much trying to time the bottom here. I don't like to do that too much because in technical analysis, we don't try to time the bottom that much. We just try to look for a change in trend. And when the change in trend happens and is confirmed, there has been some money that could have been made if we had known in the past that the bottom was right here. This is just something I tried. So I tried to time the bottom here. So in fact, I played this on the 5-minute chart. So yesterday I followed this on the 5-minute chart, and on this 5-minute chart, we have been trending down since December 9th, going down, making lower lows, just right here, a lower low. And then we made this low here, and then we made another low here. So the lower lows stopped on this support that I drew. This is what made me drew actually this support. And then I drew this here, and then I had my resistance right here. So when the stock broke this at around 998, something like this was on the 5-minute chart, a change in trend. So I got in at that point, and the stock has been making, I would say, higher lows ever since, but it has been stabilizing right here around 1021 or so. So this was a nice move from a 5-minute perspective, but will this move become a move on the 1 hour chart? That's the big question that is going to be answered Monday. This is what I have for now on the 1 hour charts. We have had descending highs, but now we are having ascending lows. So ascending lows is a good sign. Descending highs is not that much of a good sign because it shows a downtrend. So right now we are showing a downtrend and an uptrend at the same time. This is what is called in a triangle. And in this case, because the two lines, the resistance lines and the support line, have pretty much the same angle. This is a symmetrical triangle, and the stock will have to decide what it does at some point. Will it stop making higher lows, or will it stop making lower highs? So hopefully, my hope is that we start going above this support here. So maybe at 1029, and that we are resuming to go back inside this triangle, which is another symmetrical triangle. And the ideal scenario is that the stock would at least go here, maybe drop down one more time before doing this. So basically, this is the thinking. This is where my mind is at. So if I go back here, this is the 9:30 hour. Then the 10:30 showed a green candle. Then we paused on 10:02, and then we have been going up a little bit and maintaining ourselves. Anyway, so this is going to be very interesting to look at. In terms of indicators, though, stochastic is not yet at 60. Stock is not yet there. The stock is maintaining itself, but is still at 30. I would like to see stochastic go at 60. So at the same time as we cross this year, this is what I'm going to look at on Monday. Going back to the daily chart, in terms of the daily charts, we are still in a downtrend. So the RSI is still trending down. The stochastic is still trending down. MACD also down, and the MI is also down. We have to remember that with Tesla, the moves up are pretty sudden. Like here, this is just boom, a green candle that appeared out of nowhere, another green candle that appeared out of nowhere. Here, we did not have that exactly. The stock went up, but no green candles here. And so we'll have to see if we have a nice green candle here on Monday. This will help these indicators a lot. But for sure, Tesla is in a very important position right now. This triangle is getting to an end and something is going to happen soon. So stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching, liking, commenting. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday if you are not a member. If you are a member, we are going to talk tomorrow to look at the weekly and the monthly chart for Tesla and Palantir. So we either are going to talk on Sunday or on Monday, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.